Hi, I'm Jody,
And Paige.
and today we're going to make berry banana popsicles. We've already washed our hands and our ingredients, and we're finishing prepping our ingredients. Paige, what is in our berry banana popsicles?
1 cup of strawberries, 1 medium-sized banana, and 2 cups of yogurt.
Paige has 2 more strawberries to cut up, and then we'll mix our ingredients together. This is a good recipe to have kids help with. They can help cut up the fruit, they can mix the ingredients together, and they can pour them into the popsicle molds. This recipe can also be adapted to whatever flavors you like. You can use different types of fruit and different flavors of yogurt. On Spin Smart Eat Smart, we also have another recipe for apricot pops that uses canned apricot. For younger kids, they can use a butter knife or a plastic knife to cut up to keep them safe. But for older kids, they can start practicing using a sharper knife as they begin to develop more skills. Okay, Paige has all the strawberries ready. So now we're going to mix all the ingredients together. So she's going to pour in the bananas. Then the strawberries. And she's going to mix it all together. So you want to get the fruit all mixed in. Today we're going to put our popsicles in little paper cups and use some wooden sticks, but you can also use popsicle molds if you have those. So Paige, you can go ahead and you're going to fill them about maybe halfway to 3/4 of the way full. Get a little bit of fruit in every area. Smooth it out a little bit. Put in a wooden stick. Once we get them all full, we'll put them in the freezer for about 6 hours until they're firm, and then you can enjoy them. It's been 6 hours and our popsicles are frozen, so now Paige is going to try one. How is it, Paige?
Delicious.
For this recipe and many more, visit Spend Smart Eat Smart. Thanks for watching.